When you see images like this, or this, I bet you're thinking, I wish I could do that. Turns out you can, especially now at a time when AI tools are taking over the creative process and are only getting better and better with every passing day. Welcome to a brand new video. I'm Sanjana and this is Ad Poet Society, where I teach you how to make and elevate your ads and the creative process by using AI tools. Today, I'm sharing 5 unique Nano Banana prompts, and the last one will leave you stunned. So make sure you stick around till the very end. We're starting with isometric images. Open Google Gemini, choose the Create Image option to enable Nano Banana Pro, and then apply this prompt. Nano Banana Pro pulls in today's real-time weather data for New York and transforms it into a fully realized 3D isometric miniature city. Just a quick note at this point, all the prompts that you see today in this video are available for download. I will link the same in the description box below. Once you hit generate, Nano Banana Pro produces a stunning 45-degree top-down miniature of New York, complete with landmarks like the Statue of Liberty, Empire State Building, Central Park, etc., all designed to look like a high-end collectible city model. You can try this with different cities and get similarly impressive results just like these. Now, I had a bit of fun with isometric images by placing them so they appear to be floating inside a coffee cup. And here's the prompt that helped me achieve this result. If you use this prompt and just swap out London for any city you choose, then click Generate, Nano Banana Pro produces an incredibly clean isometric miniature city floating inside a cappuccino cup on a wooden table. You can clearly make out Big Ben, Tower Bridge, the London Eye, and dense city streets, all perfectly framed within the cup. Even the tiny moving vehicles and miniature roads are visible, which adds an insane level of realism. I also tested this with Sydney and Barcelona, and the results look absolutely wild. Each city still retains its unique identity perfectly inside the cup. Now I'm going to show you how to create a dramatic cinematic image that usually requires quite a bit of designer bandwidth. I'm going to show you the prompt first. Nano Banana Pro generates this insanely accurate image in a matter of seconds, and it's pretty much what I had in mind. Now, in the early days of my advertising career, I used to have a lot of fun playing around with brand logos. I used to take the world's biggest brands and turn their logos into shapes and fonts that I loved. If this is something that you would like to do, the next prompt is a good place to start. And you can do this for literally any brand, as you can see here. When it comes to brand storytelling, designers usually spend days, sometimes even weeks, to design a special or a unique character or a set of characters. With tools like Nano Banana and other AI tools, this process has suddenly become a lot easier and much more accessible. Like with this scene. This is the kind of effect that immediately makes people wonder, okay, how did you pull this off? I used this prompt, and that's all it takes. Now, before we move on to the final use case, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, especially if you found this video useful. It would really help me to create and share more AI hacks, tips, and tricks that would help you and others on their creative journey. And if you would like to collaborate with me on anything in the creative space, I will leave a link in the description box below. You can click it and we can get started. All right, now let's go check out the final use case. Now, this one is insane for product marketing. Take a look at it. If you upload an image of your watch or any other product image into Nano Banana Pro and add the prompt I'm about to show you, Nano Banana Pro instantly creates a full premium campaign layout in one single generation. Now, this is what AI is capable of doing in a matter of minutes. Now, everything that you've seen today in this video is just the tip of the iceberg. We have barely scratched the surface. This is a very useful tool, especially if you're in the advertising industry or are into any kind of brand storytelling. If you would like to see more such Nano Banana prompts and use cases, please comment use case in the comment section below and I will get right to it. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.